Hello everyone and welcome for the video for today. We are going to start with painting these two figurines. Here it is a mom, or no, it's a dad with a little kid in a rolling cart or something, and then it's a male snowman looking at the big Christmas tree that we are going to paint here. And of course I am starting with painting everything white, and again I gave this 2 or 3 coats before I was happy about the white. I paint the little cart in a brown color, so I'm just taking my time with this, as I always do when I am going to paint these small details. Then I am going in with the black paint, and I am painting the top hats on both the figurines and the wheels on the little cart, or what it is called, the wagon that the little kid is sitting in. Sorry, I know this is kind of getting old, painting the figurines, but that's just what this little project is all about. So yeah. Here I dipped my needle tool into the black paint to paint their eyes. They have kind of a little ball for the eye, and if you hit it correctly with the needle tool, you can catch the real eye on these small snowmans. And don't forget the top hat on the little man that is standing and looking up here. The kid is getting a red Santa's hat on here, so I'm just going to paint that. I decided to paint the scarf of the guy that is looking up all red, so I'm just taking my time and making sure I get only the scarf here. If you get some red onto the body of the snowman, then let it dry and paint it over with white later. And don't forget his mittens, they are going to be red as well. I mixed some red with some yellow into an orange, as I don't have an orange paint here, so I'm just mixing it, and I am painting the nose of all 3 of the little snowmen. I mixed a gray color for the scarf on the dad here, and again I'm just taking my time and painting all the way around on the scarf. I did paint the kid's scarf red as well, and now I am just going in with some white to touch up. Everything is dry here, so I'm just touching up here and there with the white. And that's it for the figurines. So now when the 2 figures here has completely dried, I am ready to place them into the little scenery. So this little man looking up is going to stand here and look at the Christmas tree, the star on the top. And I'm going to pop the dad here with the little kid in the wagon, so that he is kind of walking against or toward the Christmas tree. And here you can see them a bit better, both of the people that we painted, or the figures that we painted this time. Now it is time for the greenery around the edge on this little tree, and then this part of the tree is almost all done. I think there will come a few figurines that I need to place here later, but for now it is done. And I am just gluing it a tiny bit by a tiny bit until I reach the end where I cut off the excess, and then I glue the two ends together, hopefully so that you can't see that the connection is right here. So that's it for this build today, or the paint today. We now have the third layer here all done, and I think this came out really neat. So that's it for today. I will see you tomorrow with the next layer. So happy crafting.